Unlocking the mystery of blind luck. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in conversations: blind luck. What does it mean? How can you use it? Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of this interesting expression. Blind luck refers to success or good fortune that happens without any effort from the person who benefits from it. It's like a windfall that comes out of nowhere, without any planning or forethought. Think of it as finding $1 on the street. You didn't work for it. It just happened to be there. The phrase, blind luck, suggests that luck is blind, much like the Lady Justice, implying that it does not see who it chooses to bestow good fortune upon. It's a random, chance occurrence that could happen to anyone, at any time. Let's see how to use blind luck in everyday conversation. I passed that test by blind luck. I didn't study at all. He won the lottery? That's just blind luck. It's important to differentiate between blind luck and skill. Winning a game because of a well-thought-out strategy is skill, but if you win because the opponent made an unforeseen mistake, that's blind luck. And there we have it, folks. Blind luck is all about those happy surprises that life throws our way without any input from our side. It's a reminder of the unpredictability of fortune. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and good luck, though not just the blind kind.